Hello and welcome. This sandwich called how I make an Sel Roasted Chicken sandwich. First thing you gotta do is you put 2 rye breads in and you toast in for like 4 minutes. Put it down to 2 minutes just in case if it's ready. It'll take a couple of moments or a moment or so. Now we take the slices of bread out of the toaster after we unplug it, and so we get and you spread the mayo onto the rye bread. So the mayonnaise is called olive oil mayonnaise, and last but not least, you get the Sel Roasted Chicken, and do 2 slices, and then here you go. Here is your Sel Roasted Chicken sandwich. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.